Hello, this is my mind maps of vertebrates. Mammals. All mammals have a head, a trunk and limbs. Most have legs, others have limbs. Many animals have a body covered with hair or fur. Mammals are viviparous. Their young grow inside their female's body, receiving oxygen and nutrients. Baby mammals drink their mother's milk. Mammals live in different habitats. Most mammals are terrestrial. However, some mammals, such as dolphins, are aquatic. They breathe at the water surface. This is an aquatic mammal. Mammals can keep their body temperature constant when the outside temperature changes. They are called warm-blooded animals. All breathe air through their lungs. This is a mammal. Mammals group. Primates have 5 fingers on their hands and feet. Their eyes are on the front of part the head, not on the sides like many animals. Human beings, monkeys, and gorillas are primates. This is a primate. Cetaceans are marine animals. They have no hair. They swim by moving their tails and flippers. Whales and dolphins are cetaceans. This is a cetacean and dolphin. Ungulates are herbivores. They have feet with hooves. Zebras are ungulate. This is ungulate. Carnivores have food. They have sharp teeth and feet with claws. Lions are carnivores. This is a carnivore. Birds. Birds have a head, a trunk, a tail, and limbs. The front limbs are wings, and the back limbs are legs. A bird's skin is covered with feathers. Using their wings, most birds can fly. They are called warm-blooded animals. They breathe through their lungs. Female birds lay eggs on line. Female birds are sometimes male birds. Keep their eggs warm with their body heat. This process is called incubation. All birds are terrestrial. Each bird species eats its own type of food, such as seeds, fruit, insects, or other birds. A bird's mouth is covered by a hard beak. This is a wing. This is a fowl. Reptiles. They have a head, a trunk, limbs, and a tail. Most reptiles are terrestrial, but a few are aquatic. They are called cold-blooded animals. They breathe through the lungs. They are oviparous. Reptiles groups. Aquatic. Turtles. This is a turtle. Crocodiles and alligators. This is a crocodile. Terrestrial. This is snakes. This is a snake. Lizards. This is a lizard. Fish. They have a head, a trunk, and a tail. Their body is covered with scales and use their fins to swim. They breathe through gills. They are oviparous. Fish groups. Cartilaginous fish. Their skeletons are made up of cartilage. Examples: sharks. This is a shark. Bony fish. They have skeletons made of bones. Examples: sardines and salmon. This is a sardines. Amphibians. They have a head, a trunk, and limbs. They stay in or near water to keep their skin moist. They are oviparous. Groups. Without tails, they have long, strong back legs for jumping. They catch their prey with their tongue. This is a frog. With tails, they have a long body with 4 limbs. This is a salamander.